Hello all and welcome back to the customer satisfaction series. In today's class, I will be discussing about customer perception of quality. Quality is a broad and pervasive philosophy which has a significant effect in firms' competitiveness. Which means if a firm has to compete in the market, the product of the firm has to be having high quality. Many organizations have implemented many philosophies such as TQM, Six Sigma, Just in Time, and many others with the goal of reducing cost and increasing revenues. And from the customer's point of view, the perception of quality is related to their own experience. For example, I like a product because of its price, and someone else dislikes the product because of its color. The perception of different customers is not the same. An American Society for Quality has surveyed and ranked the customer perceptions in the following order. So, number one, it is performance. Number two, features. Number three, service. Number four, warranty. Number five, price. And number six, reputation. Talking about performance, performance is simply fitness for use. It indicates that the product is ready for use at the time of sale. Secondly, it is features. Features are the secondary characteristics of a product. So, for example, the primary function of a cell phone is just to make a call. So, if you include other features like keeping an alarm, downloading the applications, music player, so these will become the features and the product now looks attractive. Service or customer service is intangible in nature, which means the characteristics cannot be quantified, but it can be counted. So this service contributes greatly in customer satisfaction. Warranty or product warranty represents an organization's public promise to the product. In other words, it represents public a commitment to guarantee. For example, you go to buy an electric bulb to an electrical shop and you have two options of the same range of price. But on one product it has written as 3 years of warranty and on one more product it has written as 2 years of warranty. So what will you choose or which will you choose? Obviously the product with 3 years of warranty. Hence, warranty reduces the risk of purchase decision. And now price. Nowadays, customers are willing to pay higher price, but at the same time they are expecting the quality of the product also high. So we as a customer, we prefer organizations which will give value for our money. And now the sixth, reputation. It is obvious that a customer is willing to buy a product from a known, trusted and a reputed organizations. Correct? The total customer satisfaction is not only based on the product but the overall experience with the organization. Hence, the organization strive to retain the customers for the life. We now have quickly revised the top 6 customer perceptions about quality. Hope you have understood. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you. Stay tuned.